Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tahoe headlights. First, find a level area and park your vehicle exactly 25 feet from a flat wall. Make sure your Tahoe is perfectly straight, facing the wall. You will need a Torx E8 socket or a Phillips head screwdriver, depending on your specific model, to make the adjustments. Next, let's prepare your aiming points on the wall. Measure the exact height from the ground to the center of your low beam headlight lens. Transfer this measurement to the wall for both the driver's and passenger's side. Then, measure down 4 inches from each of those marks and place a second piece of tape. These lower marks will be your target. Now it's time to adjust the beam. Pop your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw on top of each headlight assembly. Using your Torx E8 socket or screwdriver, turn the screw. One direction will raise the beam and the other will lower it. Adjust each headlight's brightest point so it aligns precisely with the lower mark you made on the wall. After adjusting, step back and verify that both headlight beams are level and hitting your target marks. It is crucial that your headlights are not aimed too high, which could blind oncoming traffic. Take your Tahoe for a short drive, preferably at night, to confirm the illumination is correct. If necessary, return to your wall and make any final, small adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.